Hey everybody, welcome to the 13th of October 2024. I am your first responder realtor, Connor with Honor. I'm here to bring you what's happening in Santa Clarita Valley. Yesterday, open houses were wonderful, and today is probably going to be the same result. If you want to see all of them, go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com, and on that system, you'll see every single open house here in Southern California as it's being scheduled. At the time the system's updated, you'll see that right at www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com. Now, getting into the market update here for Santa Clarita Valley, we have seen an increase in real estate listings. It's too early to tell whether or not that increase is going to make this market return more into a buyer's market realm, which we haven't seen for many years. But that being the case, that's definitely something to watch. As far as market activity goes, currently we have 11 coming soon listings that have entered the market in the past 7 days. This is a 7 day snapshot, although I do these videos every single day. The 7 days is a good way to look at it, but then I also do extrapolations over time, given 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, and 12 month time periods to try to get a good idea what's happening in real estate. 77 new listings have hit the market in the last 7 days. 65 properties have had their prices changed. This could indicate a market shift, but that has been a very common number since about March of 2024. 28 properties have entered back on market status, and this is after previous offers have fell through on these properties. It's definitely important to keep an eye on this. If you happen to be working with a real estate agent that you know and trust, they'll be monitoring that channel just in case one of those properties happens to come back on the market. You're not going to miss it. Active under contract properties 28. That's going to be 28 from the last 7 days that have gone to escrow. 44 have gone pending. A critical number to know is closed sales. That's going to be 60 homes in Santa Clarita closed this past week. That's going to be throughout this valley. That's going to be the cities of Castaic, Canyon Country, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson, Ranch, and Valencia. Enunciation is important. 5 properties have expired, 15 have canceled, 11 been put on hold, 3 have withdrawn. So, as of today, and this is again an uptick, 551 total active real estate listings in Santa Clarita Valley posted for sale as of this morning, Sunday, October 13th, 2024. What that means to us is we see a small uptick in inventory. Inventory has been somewhere in the high fours, low fives. Now inventory is about 550. Now this is prior to a weekend. The numbers yesterday were about 10 less. So we do have additional listings that have entered the market, maybe a little bit higher than a typical 2 or 3 day period, but we need more time to tell. Now if the listings get into the 7 and 800s, we'll definitely watch. If the buyer drive stays the same, we'll definitely see a shifting market in Santa Clarita, and we'll see prices start to reduce at least somewhat, but we'll have to keep our eye on it. And that of course is if the interest rates stay where they are and don't decrease further. A few interesting highlights. Valencia is showing strong activity with listings such as a 5-bedroom property in Monteverde going for $1,075,000. Great property. You can find that at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. Buyers are attracted to Valencia's family-friendly neighborhoods, schools, and parks, making it a desirable location. Canyon Country has seen some competitive pricing with homes like a beautiful 2,364 square foot property in Mountain Shadows listed at $799,900. Exquisite home. Buyers who are looking for spacious homes with outdoor areas are definitely jumping on these opportunities. Saugus does remain a prime spot with listings in subdivisions like the Mountain View Homes, great neighborhood up there off Seco. When you can find homes in that area around $900,000, great schools, parks, walkways, great. And it's definitely a lot of charm in that area. And you'll get larger lot sizes, houses not so close together. Stevenson Ranch luxury properties. There was one, a 5-bedroom old orchard, priced at $1,299,000. And for those, the higher end properties in Santa Clarita Valley, they're going to carry with them some pretty spectacular amenities as well. Plus, more than likely, you're going to get a larger house and also a larger lot size. In some cases, pretty dramatic. And also view lots usually, so you're going to get premium lots as well. If you're looking to sell, consider we're in a time of high activity. Definitely a strong buyer demand, pricing strategically, while of course considering the current trends will help you stay competitive. As a first responder realtor, I do advise my clients to make sure that we're priced correctly when we first enter the market for sale. For more insights, updates, or to discuss any of the specific real estate goals you may have, feel free to reach out to me at any time. Connor with Honor. I will get back to you promptly. And again, if I'm not picking up or not answering an email, it's because I'm working with my other clients, and everybody's incredibly important. I hope you're well. Please check out Santa Clarita openhouses.com. Let's look at real quick before we do that. Let's check out what's happening on the open house front. And we are Sunday about 10:48 a.m. Let's see what's posted today. Currently, over the next 2 days in Santa Clarita, as soon as the page loads, 123 open houses currently scheduled in the Santa Clarita Valley today. I hope everybody's well. Please check out SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. And when you're ready, I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.